Hey, seventh graders, I'm sorry I'm not here today, but you're going to be doing a little bit of review work on fractions, decimals, and percentages. And the work that you're going to be doing is through Big Ideas. So you're going to go to my.cherrycreekschools.org. You will need to log in with your Cherry Creek credentials. Most of you will have the Big Ideas icon on your dashboard, but if not, if you're new to Thunder Ridge or you came in the middle of the year, you may need to type it into the search and click it from there. So you'll go to Big Ideas Math, and then if you haven't already logged in, it may ask you to log in. You will click the tab at the top that says Assignments. And in the assignments section, you will see that there are two different assignments. The first one that you're going to work on is the 6.1 decimals and percents. Most of this should be a review from sixth grade, maybe even fifth grade. So I'm going to help get you started on this. And then you will have the whole class period, Monday, March 28th, to work on both of these assignments. Your goal is to have both 6.1 and 6.2 submitted by the end of the class period. Okay, so again, most of this is review, but I'm just going to go over a few examples just to make sure that you remember from sixth grade. So I'm going to use my whiteboard here. So the first question says match the decimal with its equivalent percentage. If I'm given a number and the number that I'm given is a decimal or has a decimal, and I'm asked to rewrite it as a percentage, like in this one, all I really need to do is to take that number and multiply it by 100. Okay? If I multiply a number by 100, all I have to do is move the decimal two places to the right. So 4 and 200ths written as a percentage would be 402%. Okay, so that's if you're changing a decimal to a percentage. Sometimes you will have to, number 4, you're also matching a decimal to the percent. And once again, if the decimal is right here, 0.0402, and you're rewriting it as a percentage, all you have to do is move the decimal two places to the right, because basically you're just multiplying that number times 100. So you get 4 and 200ths%. Okay? If you are doing the reverse and you are changing from a percent to a decimal, example on the one where it says 55% and you're rewriting it as a decimal, you're going to do the opposite. Instead of multiplying by 100, you're dividing by 100, or you're moving the decimal two places to the left. So 55% written as a decimal would be 55 hundredths. Okay? So again, if you're going from percent to decimal, you're going to multiply by 100. If you're going from decimal to percentage, you're going to divide by 100. I hope this has been a helpful review on completing exercise 6.1.